Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me DJI device, I have DJI OM 5, and now I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number of this device. So of course you can find the serial number here. Here you have the serial number of your device. You can find it in this way, but you can find it in the other way. To find it in the other way, you need to open the DJI application on your device. Wait a while. Okay, and calibrate it. Cool. So you need to open the DJI application and open the OM 5 device, and here you need to press on the three dots on the left top corner of your screen, and here click on the 4 plates, and here you will see the device serial number. And using this information you can check your serial number of your gimbal. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.